All right, guys, welcome back to another video with Carl's Garage. And in today's video, I am going to go over a success story, another success story. I really want to shout out to all the people who have purchased both books, my handbook and my script book. I've been helping a lot of people. I apologize that you guys haven't seen me on YouTube in a very long time. I actually started a new TikTok, which is Carl's-Garage, to help out as many people as possible. Actually, I have a viral video on there right now, so please follow me on TikTok as well. You will see a lot of Carl's Garage content, helping people with Kias and other cars as well. So don't think that I gave up on you. Huge thanks to all the people that continue to purchase both Carl's Garage books. I'm actually working on a free template right now. All I need you to do is just email me at info@carls-garage.com. I'll put the email down below. I need you to email me so that I can give you a free guide, just like a free book. You don't have to pay anything, just to give you a heads up of what's going on. Please also go to my website as well, carls-garage.com. And if you have any questions, scroll all the way down to the bottom and fill this out, or you can just email me again, info@carls-garage.com. Fill all of this information out right here and leave me a comment on what's going on with your car. And also, every time you come to my website, make sure you go to the engine eligibility report and get a real report on your car, on your Kia or a Hyundai. This is gonna tell you if you have a clean title, a salvage title. This is gonna tell you if your engine qualifies for the replacement program. If it does, then scroll down here and email me and say, hey, I filled out the free engine replacement pre-qualification program, and it says my engine qualifies. I'd like to purchase your books. I'd like to know what I should do next, because my books are gonna give you everything that you need. But I thought that, hey, let me create a free guide for people out there who just have no clue about anything and don't have time to watch my videos, and they just need to know some information. Now, again, my website does include information on everything. If you click my book right here, click the handbook, it's gonna talk to you about Kias and stuff like that, and information going on, how my books will help you. So definitely please come to carls-garage.com, and check out everything that I have, all my videos and stuff like that. In today's video though, I just want to go back to the email, if I think I have it right here, where Mr. Mario, I was able to help him out, and this is him. This is September 29th. I know it's been a very long time. We're already in October, but I just want to say thank you, Mr. Mario, because you purchased the books, you purchased both books, and they successfully helped you, and this is the proof of that. He says, you gotta have faith. Sometimes, my friend, LOL, I wanted to reach back out and thank you for providing me the motivation and confidence to keep working at what was right and not giving up when I was about to. And this is the biggest thing when it comes to Kia and Hyundai. I've got a guy that I'm working with right now that they are running him through the ringer. They almost approved him. They did a bunch of stuff and then they denied him. So in some cases, you even have to go to the point of getting a lawyer, and then that really scares Kia Hyundai. And then they're like, just go ahead and replace it, because if this guy's serious enough to get a lawyer, we don't want to deal with all this. And in fact, because each dealership is independent, if you get a lawyer, like this guy got his engine replaced, they did what they were supposed to do. But if you get to the point to where if they basically say, okay, we will start it, and then they deny you, then that tells me that they will do it, but you're gonna have to kind of bend their arm a little bit. So if you go to the point of getting a lawyer, usually lawyers love these Kia cases because they know that there's already been 3 class action lawsuits. So it's a win-win for them. They don't really need money. I'm not giving anybody legal advice. Let me make that disclaimer right now. I'm not giving anybody legal advice. All I'm saying is that I am working with a customer, somebody who purchased both books. And at this point, I'm telling him, you probably need a lawyer personally, just to kind of just go see and let them know your whole case, let them know all your paperwork, because they're denying him because he's a second owner, which is bullshit. And then they're also denying him for something else, something about miles, but it's a lifetime warranty. He has a pamphlet, he has everything showing you can't deny me for these things. So I told him even to try a dealership out of state, but I don't know if he's able to do that. So I just want to let you guys know that sometimes, in some cases, if you can't get your engine replaced like this gentleman right here, Mr. Mario, then, and they're giving you the runaround, but you have everything that you're supposed to have, sometimes you will have to contact the lawyer, and they don't like that. They will take your case very serious, and then chances are you will get your engine replaced. I've never seen a case like his. In 5 years I've been doing this, I've never seen a case like his. I've never seen them almost do it and then deny for stuff that they have in the pamphlet that you can't be denied for. So to me, it sounds like something's fugazi going on. The reason why I mentioned the dealerships don't like it is each dealership is independent. If you threaten a lawsuit versus the dealership, then the dealership is going to then contact Kia corporate and say, I'm about to be sued because you won't give us the parts, or you won't approve this guy's engine. So approve his engine so that we don't get sued, because it's not going to, Kia's not going to get sued. They've already been sued in a massive class action lawsuit. They have all the money in the world. But each dealership has a budget. They have a monthly budget. They have a yearly budget. They have to meet profits. They have employees, and so on and so on. So the second you threaten to sue the dealership, then that's when things can really escalate. And then usually, most times, they just say, okay, just go ahead and replace the engine, because you'll have a case. As soon as you go to court, if it even goes that far, if the dealership's like, yeah, okay, we'll go to court. As soon as you go to court, they're gonna be like, Kia has this 3 class action lawsuits. In my book, actually, if you go to my book right here, this is the free engine flip guide too, by the way, that will be available too. If you guys want this free, teaching you how to flip these cars, how to find them for very cheap and make profit on these cars. When we go right here to my drive, and we click the Carl's Garage book, you will see that my book comes with where's the class action lawsuit? Right here, settlement. So you can print this out. You can bring this to the court and be like, hey, look, they've been sued for all these cars already. Even the GDI engines, a lot of people think that it has to be a 2-liter or the 2.4 liter, but even the 1.6 liter GDI motors in a lot of vehicles, they were sued for all of this stuff. So if you purchase the books, you have all of the content and paperwork that you need to fight your case, even if, unfortunately, you have to take it to court and threaten with a lawsuit. So to get back to Mr. Mario, because this is a video about a success story, I will read his whole email again. Again, it's very short, but you gotta have faith sometimes, my friend, LOL. I wanted to reach back out to you and thank you for providing me with the motivation and confidence to keep working at what was right and not giving up when I was about to. I'm very happy to report that my engine, turbocharger, and intake manifold have all been approved to be replaced under warranty. Mission successful. So that is just one of the many thousands of success stories that I have had from both of my books, because this gentleman purchased both books, which are, if we go over here to Carl's Garage, which scroll down, the handbook. The handbook is going to be this book right here. I'll show you guys what you're going to get whenever you purchase the handbook. You will receive a link and it will come with everything in here. Everything in here. Yes, there is a regular book, a PDF that you can download. And this is the Carl's Garage handbook. And it comes with all this stuff right here. You can download this, put this in your phone. Good to go. Right? If you have any questions, just look at the handbook. And then you have all of these documents, supporting documents right here. Here's another class action lawsuit. Here we go. United States Court, Central District of California. So you will have all of this stuff whenever you purchase the first handbook. I recommend purchasing both books because they go together. I designed them together. I've sold this book for a very long time, and people say, well, what do I say? What do I say? That's when you will get the script book. So purchase them together like Mr. Mario did, and you will get this script book, and it's going to tell you exactly what to say and how to escalate it. We go, oh, that page never wants to open. So we'll go over here. We'll go back to the script book. I'll show you guys some stuff in the script book, because table of contents. So if we zoom in here, we'll just zoom in a little bit. Introduction, your guide to getting a new engine, KSDS question, with or without the updates, scripts, calling corporate, your action plan, it's gonna give you all that, important resources and links, are you eligible, understanding the fine print, scripts that work, what to say to dealership, the final approach, writing corporate and NHTSA, when they say no, escalation and legal options. See, that's the part that I'm talking about. That finally, I mean, unfortunately, this gentleman is going to have to seek legal options, because if you qualify, which they're basically telling him that he qualifies, they're basically saying, you qualify, but we're going to deny you, in which you can't deny because your car has this defect. That's why there's a strong case to win in legal action against them, which I don't know why they do this. Just replace the motor. You did wrong. Chevy's replacing motors. Toyota is replacing motors. I don't get why Kia does this to people. They like really try to ruin people's lives. That's why I hate Kia so much. Again, now there is a way, if you are not in his position like me and other people out there, if you've got, you got your life together, you may not have a Kia, but you're looking to flip cars. They are a good car to flip if you're able to flip them with the KSDS, with the right software, and with a path to getting its engine replaced every single time, because it is a lifetime engine warranty. There is no such thing as, oh, it goes over 150,000 miles, you can't get a new motor. No, they have a lifetime engine warranty. If you buy one to flip at 112,000 miles and you drive it and the engine goes out, but you have the KSDS at say 140,000 miles, then you get that new engine. When you get to 167,000 miles, they have to replace it if it goes out again. They just have to. That was in the class action lawsuit. Hey, Kia, Hyundai, when these things go out, you have to keep replacing these engines because you're not replacing them with new ones. You're not replacing them with new engines. You're getting another engine used from the junkyard, which has the same defect. You're putting it in that person's car. It has the same defect. So when it goes out again, you have to replace it. But without legal action, they're not going to do it. And these dealerships could care less because these cars are getting older and older and older and older and older. This class action lawsuit and this issue goes all the way back to 2011. You think that these dealers are going to want to put 4, 5, 6, that's what they're charging you, right? So if you don't pay it, then they got to get it back from Kia. It takes forever to get back. So that's what the script book comes with. I just want to show you guys both books and just let you guys know that both books do work. Both books help people tremendously. Grab both books. Just want to make this quick little video. Follow me on TikTok now, Carl's Garage. You'll see it. I'll put a link to my TikTok down below. Stay tuned for all the latest videos. And thank you for all the people out there who continue to purchase both books. I think I have them. Oh no, they're over there. I think both of my books are over there. But usually I show them right here. I kind of have them. I printed out 2 handbooks so that I can show you guys in videos. But remember, everything is digital. Both of these books are digital books. And then again, for the people out there who want to flip cars, who want to flip these things, or even if you're a dealer, you need this program. You need this program because you guys are purchasing these cars from these auctions and you're not putting the KSDS on it and you're selling it to people. And then they're having problems and then they're trying to sue you for selling them a lemon. This book, this right here is going to teach you how, hey, if you're a dealer, you need all 3 of these so that you say, hey, I'm covered and I'm selling you a car that is already ready, prepared. So if the engine goes out, ma'am, if the engine goes out, sir, take it to the Kia dealership. They're already locked and loaded if anything goes wrong with that car. And this will teach you to stay away from certain Kia Hyundai vehicles so that you don't buy a car and end up like that guy from, I did a video on him, the wheels guy. I forgot what his flying wheels, who ended up, I think he lost his dealership. He's doing something else because a guy bought a Hyundai Veloster and the engine blew and I think it led to lawsuit or something like that. He had a big issue. Both guys did a video about it. But the dealer guy was like, well, I didn't know and all this other stuff. But in court, you're supposed to know. You're a dealership. In court, you are supposed to know. So if that guy took you to court for you selling him a car that didn't have the proper stuff that it was supposed to have on it, that's your fault as the dealer. Yes, the customer is supposed to know what defects are wrong with the car, but you still sold it to them without the proper warranty because you know that you can't touch these cars. The second somebody replaces the engine or does anything major in one of these Kia Hyundais, you void their opportunity to get the engine replaced from Kia Hyundai. So All three of these books are extremely valuable. Again, if you want the free guide, email me at info@carls-garage.com or straight out of content. You can email me as straight out of content. I'll put all the emails down below. And then also, if you want the free flip guide too, I'll give you that too. Free things, you guys can do whatever you want with that. And then whenever you're ready to go to the next level, the books are right here. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all the people out there who continue to support by purchasing both products or all three products. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.